Welcome you to my channel ADNSHR. Friends, today we are going to learn a very important MS Excel function which is text function, and this is very important to our day-to-day office work. So I'm taking here one example. My boss has told me to type the Aadhaar number for each employees. Okay, and you know that Aadhaar number contains 12 digits. So when we started to typing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so you can see here that the number is not reflecting correctly. So there is a solution for that problem. Okay, we can use it. You can solve it by formula. Let's see, we can type the text function. Okay, we will select the value, then we will type how much digit we want. So in Aadhaar number there are 12 digits, so I will type 12 times 0. Okay, so this is the first option. Second, what we can do here, we can select the entire row, then right click and then format cell, then text. Okay, so when we start to typing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 or 13, whatever, so the number will be reflect here correctly. Or what we can do here, third option, we can enter the number by using inverted comma in the initial, like that. I have entered here inverted comma, then I will type here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so now it's reflecting correct. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.